it's your girl, Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today, guys, I have one of my favorite boxes of the month. I am unboxing my Izzy and Liv brown sugar box. And you guys know this is one of my favorites. If you are not familiar with this box, this is a lifestyle subscription box, black-owned company. And you are receiving lifestyle products every month. There's a different theme. You can get a variety of different products in here. The box is $39.95 plus shipping and handling, which is, I believe now, $7.95. I think that went up a little bit in cost. So this is the box we're going to unbox for the month of June 2022. If you are new to my channel and you love subscription unboxings and Lux hauls, this is the channel for you. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button. You'll stay up to date with me with all my latest unboxings. But without any further delay, guys, let's get into this box. So, guys, I always love the fact they have the little cute little brown girl on here, or the lady, and each box is a little different every month. I love that. And they always have like different little hairstyles and stuff. So I think that's so cute. So, you're a sneak peek. Oh, maybe not so much a sneak peek. No sneak peek, okay. So guys, when you first open up the box, you are going to receive this lovely little mini magazine here that gives you information about what the theme of the month is, as well as there's different little articles in here. You have information about what the initial products are that you're receiving in your box, with the value of the box is typically up here, and if there was any other selections in other colors for each grouping, it lists in that grouping. They also have little recipes generally in here, little lifestyle articles for you to check out. So when you have nothing to do, you have some downtime, and they generally have like a playlist or something in the back of great songs you can listen to that we all know. So that's that. So this month our theme for the box is Soul Vibes Edition. So we see that right here. So we're going to get into this box here and let's see what we get. So, I don't even know where to start. Alright, I'm going to just pull out. Okay, I'm going to go with purple. Well, that was purple. Okay. So, guys, I have a water bottle here. And the water bottle, Relax, Relate, Release is on-the-go water bottle. This water bottle is valued at $20. It came in one of 6 colors. And this is a 24-ounce bottle of water. It's hot outside pretty much everywhere, so this will help you stay hydrated. Fill it up. Get all your water in for the day. So these are our selections down here. You have a couple of colors, yellow, red, blue, purple, which you could have selected. And again, this is valued at $20. So this is cute for the summer. The next thing I'm pulling out. Okay, so we have a brown sugar keychain bag charm here, and this is valued at $15. Let me pop it out of the box here, and let me show you. Hold on, let it stop twisting. It says brown sugar on the little perfume bottle here, and I have my pocketbook right here, so let me put it on my Alma so I can show you guys what it would look like on the pocketbook. It's cute for the pocketbook though, a nice little bag charm. I think that's really cute to put on your bag. I'm a bag girl, so this kind of stuff makes me happy. So I like the little charms and stuff. So this is perfect for me. And it came in 1 or 2 colors. You have the turquoise ribbon, or you could have had the black ribbon. So this is the one I have. I really think that's cute. So the next thing that we have, I'm going to pull out. Let's see. Let's go with this. Looks like we have a bag here. Oh, a tote bag. A canvas tote bag. And they're calling this the Moment of Peace Canvas Tote. This is valued at $18, and it says, say hello to your new favorite tote bag. These tote bags are actually coming in handy for me because in Delaware we have the plastic bag ban, which means I have to take my own bags to the store. So I've been grabbing for all these little tote bags as I'm going like to the farmer's market and shopping, so that I can have things to put in here. And I think it's great, like a quick bag to take on the go if you're tossing a few items in here. I think it's perfect for that. So this only came in this one color here, so it says Black Girl Wellness Vibes is what this bag is giving. So very namaste. So let's pull out our next this one is, yeah, let's plot this one here. So this is what is this one? This is Soul Vibes Yoga Mat. Let me take it off the plastic so you guys can see. This has a $42 value. And this is kind of weighty here. It has a little weight to it. So you could have got this in 4 options, guys. And that is the picture that is down here. These are your 4 options. And it does have some weight to it. It's not like a light one. It actually has a little weight to it. So I'm just going to take it out here. And it has a nice little zip up cover, which I think is great. I'm almost scared to unfold it because I don't know if I can fold it back. I hope so. Oh, this is really big. Wow. This is pretty long. Do they give measurements in this thing? This thing is long. This is half of it. The whole thing, geesh. Yeah, it's bigger than I can show you. So, this is pretty weighty. I'm trying to do my best to show you guys. But I think I'm doing a horrible job. So, this is the best I can do to show you the picture. I hope you guys can see pretty decently. But this has a little weight to it, and the back of it has like a rubber to it, so it can like stick to the ground and you won't slip, which I think is great. And I don't know what kind of, this is a microfiber cloth is what they have listed here. So they said this, it looks like a natural leather, or suede. Suede was the first thing I thought of when I pulled it out. But they said it's a microfiber cloth or easily wipes clean. So it looks like it's sweet, but it's not. So that's cool. I think this is great for people that do yoga. I'm not one of those people, but I do floor exercises, so I could use this for my floor exercises. So I'm not getting furred up by the cats when I get on the carpet to do some planks or something. So I can make this work, but it does have a little weight to it. It's pretty heavy. And that has a value, guys, of $42 for this Soul Vibes Yoga Mat with the storage bag. I like the storage bag option. I think that's really great. Really can fold this up and put it in your bag, because I used to hate those roll up ones you got to take to class, and then you go to unroll them and then they roll back up when you're trying to use them, and that's just annoying. So I think this is a good idea. I like that. And we are down to the last item, our shirt, of course. So every month, guys, in this bag, or rather in this box, you get a shirt that is valued at $25. So let me show you what our tea of the month is. So it comes wrapped up. Let's pull her out. And oh, so she follows the same theme as the bag. Okay. As the little shopper tote we have. So I have a large in my tea, guys, and this is the shirt here. I think this is really cute. So again, the theme for this box was Soul Vibes Edition. I felt like it could have been pulled a little bit more together for the Soul Vibes. I think everything went well with the shirt, the yoga mat, the bag, because I feel like you can use this if you're going to like a workout class to put your bottle in here and go on about your business, or put your yoga mat inside and kind of go to class. So I feel like these 3 items definitely flow together, as well as the shirt. The only odd man out, I would say, is the bag charm, because I don't see where the bag charm fit in with this. Now, I like the bag charm. I just don't think it goes with the theme, but I think it's very cute. So I like it for my Louis Vuitton armor here. But yeah, other than that, everything else I think was fine with the theme, except for that. So this month's box was valued at $120. Again, this box cost $39.95 plus $7.95 for shipping and handling. So guys, what did you think about this month's box? To me it was okay. Not one of my faves, but it was okay. Are things in here useful? Yeah, I can pretty much use everything in here. I drink tons of water. It's been so hot lately. I've been like down in it by the gallon. So it's not that I can't use anything. Just not one of my favorite boxes of the year so far, but everything in here can be used. So guys, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you thought about this box this month for June. And if any of you guys have picked up this box, did you like your options that you got in your colors? Because I know that can be somewhat funny sometimes. Sometimes you get colors you don't like. But guys, I am glad you stopped by. If you have not already hit that subscribe button, please feel free to do so. It is free and it does help my little small channel here on YouTube grow. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. See ya!